Sorry. Good morning, everybody. Today we're at the beach. We're at Misquamicut State Beach in Rhode Island. Let me show you this beautiful water. It looks so good as I'm getting wet. This is our little setup over here. We took all of the space because we need lots of room for 4 people, you know?
It looks like a pile of poop. It's my sitter. It's getting there. It's a lot of work to do. But I want to come here in like the winter or something and like. I know, but I know. But I mean, I want to like go to St.
It was so windy today. So cold. That was fun. We're just kind of hanging out at the beach, chilling. My hair is still in a braid up top, not at the bottom. Outfit of the day. Hey! Oh, we're zooming in more. Oh, here we go, up at the teeth. Oh, there we go. They're not about to start playing football behind us.
How is it? Fun. Is it cold? Not really.
It says that? Oh.
Yeah, they had it right there. In the pepperoni. And they dropped the music box off and they were like, sorry, we really had to play, so it was in the box, so she had to open it. And then the server like dropped it off.
Yeah, I'll bury you. so we spent the whole day at the beach. It is, what time is it?
2.
So it's 2 o'clock and all of a sudden, oh sorry, it's 2:02.
6.
We didn't get here at 6. And look at these clouds.
Thunder.
All of a sudden we're laying here tanning and all we hear is thunder. So we're gonna like wait it out a few more minutes, see how it goes, and probably head home from here. But yeah, thanks so much for joining me in my beach day, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.